A friend of yours asked you to take a look at this, and you said sure. Well, good for you. I bet that made him real happy. And just to be clear, this is probably not what you think it is. Because what most of us think of when it comes to the work from home kind of business usually has something to do with the thing we call auto ship. That's the one where you get your buddies to commit to buying this new stuff in bulk. It's usually priced kind of high, and you got to get them to set up an auto draft so their card gets charged every single month for the rest of their life. That's right, a brand new bill for your friends, family, and associates. Did you know the average person that signs up for that cancels after just 3 months? Oh yeah, 99% of the customers are actually sales reps, by the way. I'm just saying. So even if you do find a nice group of folks willing to do this, you better be replacing them fast or you're going out of business. As a matter of fact, there are more people that win the lottery than hold on to a big fat auto ship income for more than a couple of years. And if it's that thing they call a binary, you have a better chance of becoming a rock star. So let's move on. Let's jet on over to deregulation. If you're over 30, you might remember home phones and long distance. Back in the day, there was only one company that provided that service. Now, when the telephone industry got deregulated, a new company named Excel Communications came along and knocked it out of the park. Now, here was a home-based business with no new bill, no auto ship, and we could actually help our neighbors save some money. So yeah, that worked great. Tons of everyday people started making big bucks, and the company itself started making billions. But then someone came up with cell phones, making long distance kind of a dinosaur. But here's where it gets good. See, not too long after that, in 1999, deregulation was passed for electricity. And those same guys from Excel decided to do it again, but this time with energy. And this new company did way better than that telephone thing. When people started saving money on their electric bill, they went nuts for it. And those monthly residual checks just kept on coming. You know, because people don't usually cancel their electricity.